Hello guys, let's talk about the letter W, which is the 23rd letter of the alphabet. W is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter W has a shape that looks like two diagonal lines that meet in the middle, forming a V shape with an extra line. It is important to remember how to draw the letter W correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter W makes a special sound, the W sound. This sound is made by rounding your lips and making a long, voice sound. Some common words that start with the letter W include water, watch, and winter. Words that have the letter W in them are all around us. We might drink water to stay hydrated, or wear a watch to tell time. We might also enjoy the snow and cold weather during the winter season. Remembering the letter W is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big W for the letter W, and get ready to continue exploring the wonderful world of language. Please, don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.